As an employer, it has been a long and uncertain 3 years for the UK and Brexit, and especially for members of your team who are EU nationals living and working in the UK. From a business perspective, the uncertainty could have a very negative impact on your business if retaining EU national staff and recruiting them in the future is part of your plan. The government have introduced the EU settlement scheme. The application is open and free for everyone to register their immigration status. The deadline for applying is the 30th of June 2021. You must usually have started living in the UK by the 31st of December 2020. Follow the link in the description to apply. We have provided the answers to some of the most common questions surrounding employers and the EU settlement scheme. Who is affected? Your staff in the following areas will be affected: nations within the European Union, nations within the European Economic Area, this is the EU plus Iceland, Liechtenstein, and Norway and Switzerland. Application deadlines. The UK has now left the EU. The deadlines for the settlement scheme is the 30th of June 2021, and applicants must be living in the UK before the 31st of December 2020, which is the end of the transition period. How can your staff make an application through the EU settlement scheme? The application process can only be completed online. There are no options for a face-to-face application or application by way of post. The steps that are required are as followed. Identification. Each person will need to verify their identity and nationality either through their passport, national identity card, or biometric residence permit. Eligibility. Each person will need to prove that they are a resident in the UK. The person's employment, tax and benefit records will be automatically checked to establish their length of continuous residence. If there are gaps in the person's residence, however, they will be able to upload additional documents to fill in those gaps. Suitability. Criminal record checks will be made for any person over the age of 18. If an applicant is found to be guilty of a serious or persistent criminality, either in the UK or overseas, they will have their application refused. If an applicant is the family member of an EU national and they are from outside the EU, they will also need to establish their relationship to the EU national through a birth certificate, marriage certificate, etc. Need more information on the EU settlement scheme? Follow the link in the description below.